guys? It's your boy Marco. Welcome to another video. I'm glad to be adding value to you guys' life today. All right, so today I want to talk about why it's really important not to close our accounts. Do not close your credit accounts. Here's why. Number one, those credit accounts, even though not being used, has age on it. That's huge. Remember, age factor is 15% of our credit. Your age factor is 15% of your credit profile. So do not close your aged accounts. Now, if it's not being used, okay, and the creditor wants to close it, a simple tactic and a simple way for you to be able to make sure that's open is by simply using it for gas, using it for groceries, using it for something of that nature, right? So if it's just one expense that you have on it, even though it's on auto pay, just a $15, $10, $20, $30, $100, whatever that minimum spend is, just hit that on a day-to-day basis or a month-to-month basis rather. Okay, so that's one. Another thing is, another way in which those aged accounts in which maybe you're not using so much can possibly help is simply by adding an authorized user, your family, your friend, your cousin, your family, someone that's going to be benefit from your aged account. And this way, here's what happens. They get the benefit of all your payment history, which is 35% of your score, plus the age, which is 15% of your score, right? And if it's low in utilization, they get all that benefits, right? And now this is literally how you can help your son, your daughter, your cousin, your mom, your aunt, anyone that's close to you that's also looking to level up in their life on your credit game. This is exactly how you can help them by having those old accounts. Well, say for example, you have a grandma who has like an 850 credit score and her age is like 30 on the credit age, right? Simply asking grandma, hey grandma, can I be an AU? Can I be an authorized user on your account? More than likely they might say yes, right? If they like you enough, they'll say yes, and guess what happens there? Now you reap the benefits of being an authorized user inside of her account. So don't close those, man. Leverage those the proper way. Now you, your friends, your family are able to benefit from it. That's the proper way to actually use that credit and use your credit as an asset. That's a major tip. There's some cards where you can add 5, 10, 15, 20 people. There's some cards that don't even report those AUs, right? But however the case is, don't close that card. Use it for one-time bill once a month just to make sure that spend stays active on there, especially if you're not using it. Another way to benefit from it is by adding someone in your family, your friend, someone in which you're looking to help level up in their credit, and now it's a win-win all around. Some people might even throw you a couple of dollars for that. People have a whole business of trade lines, but that's not what I'm preaching. I'm saying keep those accounts open so your credit age for each account benefits you and not the banks and these big corporations. All right, that's the message for today, man. Out in the pool, the families somewhere out there. There we go. They're doing their thing, but wanted to get that out to you guys. If you're not part of the tribe, if you're not part of the group, go ahead, click the link in the description. Join a private Facebook group. Like, subscribe. If you need credit repair services, there might be a link down there. If you need funding, just jump into what whole Maxed Out Leverage community is about, man. We're helping people leverage their credit to acquire assets and to build wealth. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.